Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2003 Honda Silverwing luxury scooter. With ABS brakes, this twin-cylinder 600cc scooter is great for commuting. It's got a very nice GV touring windscreen, a beautiful two-tone Corbin saddle with rider backrest. Got plenty of power to go 2-up or commute the Bay Area. Just 25,000 miles on this awesome running Honda scooter in beautiful metallic red. Electric start, fuel injection, automatic transmission. Make your big scooter dreams come true for just $27.99. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.